I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with your consumer number and meter ID visible. These link your request to the correct account. Once done, open the Jvvnl portal or app and sign in with your registered credentials. If you lack access, choose the offline option at the Circle office. Make sure to have a scanned ID or Aadhaar and a recent bill photo ready. Officials verify identity. This step prevents delays and ensures your request is accepted in the next stage. You now go to the contact details page and select Update Mobile. The system asks why, so choose Change Number and enter the new 10-digit mobile. Once entered, upload your ID and recent bill. This proves ownership, and request OTP to the new number. If offline, fill the prescribed form, attach copies, and submit at the Circle office. The staff will log the request and issue an acknowledgement slip. Make sure everything is legible to avoid rejection. You finish by confirming the OTP sent to the new number and noting the reference number for tracking. This finalizes your online request. Once submitted, expect processing within the stated time frame. Make sure to check status using the reference or consumer ID. If the update fails or is rejected, verify that documents were clear and the numbers matched. Then reapply or visit the local Circle office with originals. One tip: if OTP never arrives, request resend and confirm network connectivity before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.